Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install HAproxy on a Linux environment. HA stands for High Availability Proxy, which its purpose is it serves as a load balancer to your web servers. So this is a code cloud engineering task. So according to the task, there's a static website running in Stratos data center. They have already configured the app servers and code is already deployed there. To make it work properly, they need to configure load balancer server. There are number of options for that, but team has decided to go with HAproxy, which stands for high availability proxy. For your information, Apache is running on port 8086 on all app servers. Complete this task as per below details. So for the first task, install and configure high availability proxy on load balancer server using yum only, and make sure all app servers are added to HAproxy load balancer. HAproxy must serve on default HTTP port. Note: please do not remove start socket /var/lib/haproxy/start entry from the Aproxy default config. Then the second task is, once done, you can access the website using the static button on the top bar, which is this. So now I'm going to log into the load balancer server by typing SSH, Loki as the user, STLB01. Okay. So we type yum-y install Aproxy to install the Aproxy service on yum on the CentOS server. So once that is done, we need to configure the Aproxy service to load balance requests from clients to all the app servers. So type VI. You can use any text editor of your choice, but I'm using VI. So in the task, it has been stated that Aproxy she's like Aproxy load balancer must serve on default HTTP port, which is port 80. So I'm going to do the configuration now. So we have to change this to port 80. Also, it has to serve all the app servers. So this is where we configure the we configure Aproxy to serve all app servers. So we have STApp 0102 and 03. So I'm just going to add them respectively. Let me see. I think I've okay. This is 2. Then if you can see from the from the task details, all app servers are running on port 8082. Apache is running on that's Apache is a web server, just like Nginx. So it's running on port 8086. So I'm going to configure that respectively for all app servers. So I have to switch to respect different app servers to ensure that all services are up and running. So I have to SSH into app server 1. So as you can see, HTTPD Apache is installed on all app servers. So to be sure that our configuration is fine and running, according to the second task B, it says that we can access the website using the static app button on the top bar. So I'm going to click on it. So from here it shows that the service is not up and running yet. So I have to go back. I think for after the configuration file, we need to like restart and enable HAproxy. So I'm going to log back into the load balancer to enable the service or restart the service so that the configuration can take effect. Okay, so fine, this is good. So now it shows that HAproxy is serving to the three app servers from the results. Welcome to X Fusion Core Industries. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be providing you more videos on how to do stuffs, tech stuffs on this channel. Thank you. Subscribe and like and share my videos. Thank you. As you can see, it's a pass mark, so everything is good. So it shows that we've successfully installed and configured HAproxy load balancer according to the cloud engineering tax. Thank you guys for watching my video. Once again, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.